don't know when you're sad, I can't tell when you're mad. You've never been vulnerable. I believed you could change, but you're still the same, and I'm still invisible. I keep secrets from my family, all the ways you've been controlling me. When it hurt, I didn't make a sound. All the drama that you put us through, how amazing that it's never you who lit the fire, burnt the whole house down. 'Cause nobody taught you how to cry, but some